Do you see Cassie Cat sitting by her cave? Cassie Cat has a cave full of things that begin with a C sound. The hard C sound is K. We'll be using our Cassie Cat puppet if you have it and her 6 picture cards. Get Cassie and the picture of the car. We'll be singing to the tune of Old MacDonald Had a Farm. Let's begin. Cassie Cat had a cave, and in her cave she had a car, with a here and a there, here a there a everywhere a Cassie Cat had a car. Let's put away the picture of the car now and get out the can. Let's sing along with Cassie Cat. Cassie Cat had a cave, and in her cave she had a can, with a here and a there, here a there a everywhere a Cassie Cat had a can. Put away the can now, and let's give Cassie the picture of the cup. Let's sing. Cassie Cat had a cave, and in her cave she had a cup, with a here and a there, here a there a everywhere a Cassie Cat had a cup. You're doing great. Let's put away the cup now and give Cassie the picture of the carrot. Let's sing with Cassie. Cassie Cat had a cave, and in her cave she had a carrot, with a here and a there, here a there a everywhere a Cassie Cat had a carrot. Time to put away the carrot now and get out the candle. We're ready to sing. Cassie Cat had a cave, and in her cave she had a candle, with a here and a there, here a there a everywhere a Cassie Cat had a candle. All right, let's put away that candle and give Cassie the cow. This will be our last picture. Cassie Cat had a cave, and in her cave she had a cow, with a here and a there, here a there a everywhere a Cassie Cat had a cow. You did a great job. You can take your picture cards now and stick them inside your puppet to take home for homework. Tonight, you can have a parent or some type of grown-up buddy hide the carrot, the cup, the can, the car, the cow, and the candle around your house. Get your Cassie Cat puppet and go on a scavenger hunt looking for things that begin with C. You might find other things in your house that begin with the letter C, like a cabinet, or maybe you have a real cat at your house. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep tuning in for all the letter friends. If you want the copies of the puppet and the cards, you can get them on Teacher Pay Teacher. Check out my 26 Letters in 26 Days unit. Thank you, and see you next time.